Want to know how to view the archived chat on ChatGPT? Today in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to do so. Let's get started. First, open any extension, then search for ChatGPT. Now tap on the link. Make sure you're logged in. Now tap on the icon at the top left. Tap on any chat. Then tap on the three dots at the right side. Then tap on Archive. Now to view the archived chat, tap on the top left icon again. Tap on your profile at the bottom. Go to Settings. Under General, you can see Archived Chats. Swipe to the right. Tap on Manage. Now you can either unarchive by tapping on the folder icon or delete by tapping on trash icon. Tap on Delete again to confirm your action. Now your chat will be deleted. And that is how to access archived chats on ChatGPT. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.